This is how the plastic mulch are laid. The short fine. I want to. So first, you do the bed that you'll be laying the plastic mulch on. After the bed, you dress it nicely so that the drip irrigation can be in the center. Because you are going to be planting the things in the middle, so you need a flat surface for the drip. So after that is done, because we have to bury the mulch. So we have to now create a way that we can bury the mulch and cover it nicely. After that, you make sure the mulch is in the center. You position it well so that you'll be able to cover both sides nicely. But first, you need to cover one side first. You can see that it has entered the small hole that I've created. So I will then cover it. So I'll cover one side first nicely. You can see that it's very easy to lay. Sometimes your bed can be bigger than this, but I decided to have this type. You nicely stretch it so that the top can be a bit smooth. After you finish laying the plastic mulch, now we need to cut holes. But you cannot just start cutting the holes. You have to know where your first drip is. I have my first drip here. So I will cut this place first. So that's the first one. So the first planting will be here. These drip lines, the intervals between each drip is 20 centimeters. So it depends on what you want to plant. Get my point. So you can see can you see the other drip? Yes. So plastic mulch prevents weeds from growing around your plant. It's also, maintain moisture around the plant, because you will not be having direct, sun on the plant because of the mulch. And it also keep your farm very neat. You can get some of this plastic mulch from some of the agrochemical shops, mostly the shop that sells some of the greenhouse farming input. It doesn't matter the size of the land. They have them in different sizes. If you are in Ghana and you need assistance with any of the farm input, you can contact us through the email in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.